Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do today. Hopefully you guys had a good holiday. Everybody is safe and staying warm. Here we go, guys. Happy Black Friday to everybody. Hopefully you guys got some deals. And now here's another new deal they have going on. We're going to take a look inside and see what it is. Go. Ooh. Alrighty. Here we go, guys. This is coming from Scans. 20-volt cordless drill driver. Oh, baby. Yeah, steel, all the good stuff right there. Max torque there. Now let's take a look. Some nice power tools. Tool time. Ooh. Alright. Come on. There we go. We got a travel pouch. In case you guys do construction or whatnot. Where's the zipper? All the way in this side. There we go. Pretty deep inside. And now let's take a look at all this. We got the manual. Now another satchel bag. Covered with the accessories. We'll take a look. Charging base or battery, lithium, 20-volt. Tells the battery meter right there. Power button. Here's a charging base. So that's always a good thing to have. There we go. Drill. Got everything else out. Pour this really quick. Hands. Definitely a nice setup. Definitely a good thing to have around the house. Oops. Especially new homeowners or landlords or anybody. Here we go. Cordless drill. Gotta pop it in, line it up. That's in there good. There we go, make it right there. Yeah, this is definitely a nice Christmas gift to give somebody. Oh wow. Get everything in this. Get like Alright, this is cool. You get a lot of bits in here, and you get the thing to hold them together in the middle. Then you get the cover right there. You get a socket. Wow. This is definitely a nice little package. All different types. It's kind of sharp, so be careful. Interesting device right here. Pop them in. That one's empty. Alright, let's see. Okay, we got that plugged in. Okay, let me get this one out. And go with this one. Put that in here. Alrighty, we got it. Here's a manual too. Has what it's inside. Phillips cross bit, plum blossom screwdriver bit, extension rod, hex socket, screwdriver bit, slotted screwdriver bit, AD connector, bit adapters. Shows how to do it. You get this thingy, and then double Phillips screwdriver bit, tile drill bit, double Phillips screwdriver bit, twist drill. A lot of twist drills, 6 or 8, 6, 5, and 4. So now we got that installed. Locked it in. Got a little light down here. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna try. I think I got the right screw. Whoa. And reverse. Hit the switch right there. There we go. We got it. So definitely check them out. Scans right on Amazon. Links will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Be safe and take it easy out there. See ya.